Volkswagen's lucky charm when it comes to naming SUVs is the letter T. It began with the Touareg, it went on with the Tiguan, and today we have with us its newest offering, the Teramont. Made for large families, the Teramont is the brand's first 7-seater and goes up against full-size SUVs such as the Mazda CX-9 and Chevrolet Tahoe. At a time when most manufacturers are opting for sleeker designs to make their larger vehicles look more appealing, Volkswagen has opted to go in the opposite direction. A striking muscular design in Volkswagen speak, the Teramont is big and bold with squared off edges. But since beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, vote in the top right corner and let us know whether you like or dislike this design. With practicality being its main attraction, the Teramont offers a whole lot of space inside. To prove my point, it's got a wheelbase of 2,979 millimeters, which is longer than the Chevrolet Tahoe and Mazda CX-9. It's got 17 cup holders, which is more than the Chevrolet Tahoe and Mazda CX-9. And it's got a boot capacity of 583 liters, which is more than the Chevrolet Tahoe and Mazda CX-9. From a quality perspective, it's good but not great. There's a lot more hard plastic than one would like to find in an SUV that's nearly 200,000 dirhams, and there is that underlying sense that it's been put together using spare parts of a Volkswagen Passat, especially the steering wheel, the instrument cluster, the gear shifter and the AC controls. Focusing on space and ease of use, the Teramont offers easy access to the third row with a simple one-handed operation that is far easier than the complicated system used by its rivals. It really is all about the space, and that's something Volkswagen has made clear. Even here in the back, it's big enough for adults. There's cup holders, there's AC vents, and even charging ports. There's everything you'll ever need. Attempting to one-up its American and Japanese rivals, the Teramont is armed with a long list of safety, comfort and entertainment features. These include ventilated seats for the driver and front seat passenger, a 3-zone climate control system, 4 USB charging ports, a 12-speaker Fender audio system, smartphone connectivity with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a lot more. Available in 2 engine options, a 2-liter turbocharged unit that produces 220 horsepower, or a larger naturally aspirated 3.6-liter V6 that produces 280 horsepower. The good news is that options do exist for buyers to choose which one aligns better with their needs, or so it seems. You see, while both engines are available with the brand's 4-motion all-wheel drive system, the 2-liter is only available in standard spec, meaning should you go for that variant, assuming you'll save a few dirhams every time you go to the petrol station, you'd have to give up on a lot of the cool tech that the Teramont has to offer. To drive, the Teramont is extremely smooth, and that's down to the 255 section rubber. But what's truly surprising is just how much it feels like a body-on-frame SUV. Sharing the group's MQB platform with the Volkswagen Passat, the Volkswagen Jetta and the Audi TT to name a few, the Teramont doesn't feel like a sedan on stilts. Instead, it feels like a proper SUV. Speaking of proper SUV characteristics, the Teramont is fitted with a rotary drive mode selector that makes changes to the ECU mapping, the transmission mapping and also the traction control system to offer you the most amount of grip depending on which mode you're in. On-road, snow, off-road or custom off-road. While you probably don't want to be climbing too many dunes with the Teramont, it's perfect for the beach and the beautiful wadis that the UAE has to offer. So we've established that the Teramont is more spacious and practical than its American and Japanese rivals, but there's definitely room for improvement when it comes to its exterior styling and use of materials. At 196,000 dirhams, this full option model slots in between the price of a fully loaded Mazda CX-9 and a Chevrolet Tahoe and offers good value for money for those in search of a family SUV. Thanks for watching.
Tiguan.